So we do usually kind of see mosquito numbers will peak in July, often mid-July. If you get a wetter year, then you'll see those numbers be pretty high. We have seen probably more drier conditions going into the spring than we used to, so that's also a trend that I've noticed. So we have probably like 35 to 40 different species in Calgary, and then in terms of life cycle, they all kind of lay their eggs in or near water, and then the larvae will hatch in the water and live in the water.
What we hope to do when we get a trap is to get a representative sample of the mosquitoes that are in an area and a little bit about what they're doing in that environment. And so we can take a mosquito and we can extract DNA or RNA from it and determine what kind of pathogens may be in that mosquito that the mosquito could potentially have spread to animals, including humans. Insects that transmit disease, mosquitoes especially, are capable of transmitting West Nile virus here, and we do see cases most years in humans and especially in horses.
So we use a bacterial product which we spray into the water, and basically the way it works is that the mosquitoes will ingest it, and it's pretty specific to mosquitoes and some related aquatic flies, and it gets activated once they eat it and basically creates pores in the lining of their gut, and that's what kills them. So in terms of non-target impacts, they're pretty low. You know, probably the most important kind of trend we'll see with mosquitoes is if you get water and heat, then we'll get more mosquitoes. The other important one is that we do have some mosquitoes that will breed in containers, so that could be things like rain barrels, bird baths, flower pots in your backyard. So, you know, everybody can do their part by draining those water sources on their own property.